Welcome to Chetty Senior Secondary School. Today it's all about the grade 12s of 2025, celebrating their last year at the send-off. As an old learner from Chetty, I had to ask them how do they feel about their last year at school. Come, let's enjoy the day and have fun and see how the day went. We had to see different grade 12 classes entrancing and dancing as well. To be honest, I'm not gonna lie, this was entertaining, it was fun, and it was memories for grade 12s. And also we had the children giving speeches as well to their teachers. So yeah guys, sit back and relax. So let's have fun and see how the big day went for grade 12. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment as well, share below. What's up guys, for another YouTube video for the day. My cameraman is not here today, but yeah guys, like, subscribe, click Chetty send off today guys. Don't miss out. As you can see, Mr. D, let's go. As you can see, on our way to the Chetty Senior Secondary School, on our way to the send off for the grade 12 learners. I'm not gonna lie, I was excited for this experience again. Upat ano guys? Yebo. Upat ano? Toen ons finally binnekom en toe was het veel vol en allemaal het beginnen schrijven op die graad 12 se hemde. Okay, hulle dra vir tas. Hulle dra vir tas. Ja, hulle dra my. Ek kan nou. Okay, that's body. And also I had to hug my old friends from school. I really missed my old school guys, to be honest. How's Chetty for you?
Chetty is vibing. It's not nonsense because other schools now don't do what our school.
Chetty is a nice school now.
Exactly.
Is it to stay awake this Friday?
Yes.
What about day?
Be me.
Be her. Be her. Even if you're a boy.
Yeah, be a baby.
Even if you're a boy, be her. Any may kamasi. Awe, get the braka igi. Nee, was ek het my nie wys. Kies dit op die hoofskryf video. Ek gaan my signature nou hier by die ouens. Ja, my signature man. Ano kan my naam? Oy, sign ons. Ja, die signature. My signature bro, kyk gou die camera guy, my signature. Awe. Kan ek die almal sign? Maar dit was lekker om 'n paar signatures te teken. Graad hoeveel jy nou?
Graad 9.
Sy is in graad 9 guys. Ek was nie IT nie. Hoe is Chetty vir jou?
Is nogal lekker.
Chetty is 'n nice school. Ja, nee, so leer hard nie.
Ja,
sy is die slimste in die klas nie.
Nee.
Ja, sy is die slimste in die klas guys. Hy skool mis.
Hoe gaan hy skool mis? Ek is dan elke dag op skool.
Hoe gaan sy skool mis? Is elke dag hier. But as hy nou klaar maak.
Ja.
Guys. Big shout out vir almal wys aan hulle toe. En weer eens dankie vir mense wat my gevra het om my naam op hulle hemde te sit. Guys, dit was vir my 'n baie eer. Om eerlik te wees, dit was vir my baie nice guys. Thanks to my supporters as well. En wat vir my die dag nog beter gemaak het, was om meneer Kleinboy te sien. Hy het vir my history en tourism gegee. Guys, big shout out. Ek hou baie van die manier om eerlik te wees. Die Boeta, ons het die Boeta in die huis, nee? Hoe gaan dit? Ek is so right in self. Ek is so right man, guys. Gaan Chetty mas?
Ek gaan baie verlang. Regtig. Dan is die man. Chetty my die pad gewys, my bro. Chetty die pad oopgemaak en toegemaak my. Jy gaan nou nie name nie, maar jy vra boone. Sy hou nie van my nie. Ek weet hoe kom jy. Sy hou nie van my nie man.
As jy nou
whatever dat is my bro. Klein lepels ne, broer, groot potte my. Hy is 'n konspirasie. Een ding, hy's 'n konspirasie.
Awe. En ja, dis die gedeelte waar al die graad 12 bymekaar kom, elke klas, graad 12A, B, C en D. Hulle almal kry hulle self nou gereed om vorentoe te gaan, guys.
Exit told me one honey some is your style the feel papas is your nanas
stap vir stap bande wat klap weens raak bly waar ons in trap ware droog gesmaak ons nat prokureer sal op jou pad beast mode
yes sir
beast mode
aiga
beast mode ons raak al beast mode
aiga
stap vir stap bande wat klap weens raak bly waar ons in trap ware droog gesmaak ons nat.
Client, get your lick, you angry lion. The ultra day is expired. Ek het thermos admire. To sing the is a trier. Sy knip ook, sy was van my, sy smaak verboon. Arin die sauce in my kop. Try jou om mens te doen.
So start the feel papas is your nanas
Stap vir stap stap bande wat klap. Veens raak bly waar ons in trap. Waar het droog is maak ons nat. Prokureur sal op jou pad. Beast mode,
Yes sir,
beast mode,
Ainga,
beast mode. Ons raak al beast mode.
Ja guys, soos julle kan sien, ons is by die einde van ons program. Soos julle kan sien, die leerders is besig om hulle danksegging te gee aan die onderwysers, maar soos julle kan sien, ek het my geniet vandag by Chetty Senior Sekondêr. My gunsteling skool guys, ek gaan nie lieg nie. And also big shout out to the rugby boys, hulle die tournament gewen guys.